we are still talking about Gen Z, yeah?
Yeah, Gen Z.
But first, I want to introduce my friends, my friends that, yeah, she's actually maybe because she's pretty and that's why she come late, okay? There always an excuse for a good looking, and let me introduce her, and please explain who you are and what is your position in BPEC. So time is yours.
Okay, so hello, smart listener. My name is Mutmainatu Safia. I think if everyone already watched the session last week, I think everyone will know me. And you may call me Ina. And I'm the new president of BPC in this period. So
Yes.
yeah.
We are happy for you, Inaya. There will be more obstacle to be as a president in BPEC. And what what is your majoring in your university, and what is your main purpose to be in BPEC?
So I'm a student of English Education Department of State University of Makassar, or everyone would know it as UNM. And yeah, I'm in the second semester. And yeah, the main reason of me in BPEC, especially for being president, I'm here to learn, and I also want to have a big contribute to BPEC, just like the others previous presidents such as Kak Achang.
Okay,
So
nice. Yeah. You are so brave. Actually, I cannot imagine if I were the president of BPC too. Okay, because you are a newbie here, I would like to ask you, and can you explain a little bit what is generation of generation X? Can you explain what is the specification of Y generation and Z generation and Z generation?
Okay, so I don't really know about the how to say it, the classification of the generation, especially the one that I only knew actually the baby boomer, and because my parents are the baby boomer generation, and yeah, and I just know and I only know about Gen Z exactly because I'm a part of Gen Z, I think. I don't think that I can explain something that I can't even explain, such as the Gen X or Gen Y. I don't really know about it actually, but I think I will learn after this session.
So can you wonder me what kind of Gen am I?
I think you are
Still look Gen Z, yeah.
No, baby boomer.
Wow, baby boomer. He said that, baby boomer. Wow. It's
nice pleaser. Achang. So how do you feel as a Gen Z? What is these advantages and advantages of being Gen Z?
Okay, so first of all, I think being a Gen Z, there are so many advantages that we have, because the first one is maybe the technology, because just like all of us know, it's easy for being famous. It's really very easy for being famous, literally, because I think if you have good talents, if you have a good looking, you can make a video, or even you can make a video on TikTok, such as TikTok or YouTube maybe. So it will make you famous, and yeah, there are so many teenagers, especially the Gen Z nowadays, being rich just because of their popularity. So because they got so many advantage from it. And for me personally, I think the advantages that I got from for being a Gen Z, I think just like the technology maybe because I also the fan
Is a gamer?
of I also a gamer and I do really enjoy playing game when I was in elementary school. I used to play PS,
Oh, wow.
PlayStation. So many for whole time maybe almost 24/7 and
24/7.
Yeah.
So you didn't take a shower?
Yeah.
Or
No.
only one in a week you take a shower? And you didn't take any breakfast or
Yeah,
lunch?
I used to spend my parents' money because I've spent my time for PlayStation, for playing in PlayStation in the such as how to say it, Warnet maybe.
Warnet, just
like
call
that.
it.
Yeah, and for me I also like photography and for the technology, especially such as camera. I think I've got so many.
So you cannot be separated from technology, because you can photography and you addicted to game and something about in front of the screen.
Yeah, and it's also easy for me and for all people to get education, especially such as how to take a great picture. Maybe if you want to take it serious on photography and other else, especially such as English. Just like what we do right now, because of the technology we can also we are not only listen to radio, but also we can watch the people who's in the radio by watching the YouTube.
Right now, we can watch it by YouTube too and
So,
podcast. So it's really helpful. Even though you actually, from your experience, you told us that seems that you were in your teenagers age. You looks like beban keluarga, or let's say burden of family, because you spend too much money from your parents, what a burden family,
and
beban
also,
keluarga.
It's also easy for me too, for me either, because I can also sell something such as I have
so you
a
make money.
small business, small
okay,
online
nice.
business, so I make money from it, and I don't even need to go to market and then sell it in front of people, but I just post it in Insta stories or even in feed of Instagram, or maybe I just make an account and then I got money from it. So
what a smart president, and creative. I think I have to learn so much, and I wonder to ask you one day when you success to selling for something, and
Amin.
I have to be the first person to you get treat you treat me and with my kids actually, Ina?
Amin, inshallah.
Okay, nice explanation and experience from Ina, and I have another how to say, like, interesting question to Achang, because Achang also from the Gen Z, Achang, you I know that everyone knows that you were the ex of president, and I wanted to know because a few minutes ago Ina told us that she has a lot of talent. So I wonder, guys, especially to Achang, what kind of talent you have? You should have a talent actually, because you were born in a very modern era. So you have to define who you are and what kind of talent and what do you want to do with your talent.
Okay, so actually, I don't know what is the talent for me, right? Because I just wanna try right now to learn about the IT. I just try to learn about the economic, right? Such as trading or investasi, right? This the interest focus in this the interesting for me right now to learn about that. Like, okay, so actually I'm confused, guys. If we talk about the talent, It's not totally different with Inna. I also like photographer, but
Yep.
yeah, use
You like comedy too because you are so natural comedian.
No.
Like I almost see you every week. So natural comedy.
No. I'm an expert about comedy. Just right now,
expert.
how to say? I I don't know what kind of talent for me.
Maybe like you, because I know that you can playing guitar and something
Oh,
like
no.
that.
I'm no expert actually. I just can play guitar, but I'm no expert.
But that's one of
I
the
just want to
talent.
ensure about the talent. It means disability.
Your ability.
Oh, okay. So actually, if we talk about, I think talent it is like expert thing. Like
No,
oh no.
no.
Okay, talent actually.
Talent like you can sing, like Ina, she can doing photograph, even if she's not a professional.
Oh, I see. I see.
Talent. It doesn't mean that you have to be professional. Then it's called talent.
Oh, okay. I see. So actually, in my talent, yeah, exactly. I like music
Uh-huh.
when I was school, and after that, I also expert from playing game. Asik.
Oh, okay.
expert
Gamer.
one.
Everyone here is expert for game,
just
yeah.
kidding, just kidding.
Unfortunately,
I'm not, when I was senior high school, because I have club or team, and I always rank one. Asik.
wow. So you have a how to say, like a piagam or something like that?
Yeah, sure.
You have?
Yeah, because I
Yeah,
live
like
this,
a word.
I live in this game because I think this is the useless thing. I focus right now to like gain a lot of experience to create relationship with the another people or going somewhere because right now I do believe that yeah it's not my fashion like play a game. This is just useless my time. That is
Yeah,
why
it's just like a hobby, yeah.
yeah just
Even though it's that we may call it a talent. You're another talent actually.
if we like no expert
Yeah.
for I think this is useless. I don't say inna no. It is not useless because it is the entertainment, right?
Yeah.
It will reduce your stress. I
Yeah.
think it's okay if you wanna play game, but we have to realize also we have goals, right?
Yeah.
We have to focusing about that. Like for the first year, I would like to learn about English. Later on, I would like to learn about the technology, because yeah, or create a relationship with another people. It is
Yeah.
important right now. I think that's all. Kak.
Okay, nice. Nice explain. Even if you try so hard to explain to define what is your talent,
Yes,
Achan.
'cause it is not.